I like to sit on the sofa. I like to sit on the sofa. Sometimes I play video games. Sometimes I play video games. I drink coffee when I am free. I drink coffee when I am free. I like drawing in my room. I like drawing in my room. She likes knitting something quietly. She likes knitting something quietly. I enjoy stretching at home. I enjoy stretching at home. I sometimes take a short nap. I sometimes take a short nap. Feeding fishes in the aquarium relaxes me. Feeding fishes in the aquarium relaxes me. Sitting in the garden feels very calm. Sitting in the garden feels very calm. I write in my journal daily. I write in my journal daily. I enjoy deep breathing exercises. I enjoy deep breathing exercises. I like to do push-up exercise. I like to do push-up exercise. I love to sit and think. I love to sit and think. Eating fresh fruits makes me happy. Eating fresh fruits makes me happy. Cooking food is my hobby. Cooking food is my hobby. I take photos with my camera. I sit quietly near the window. I sit quietly near the window. I watch birds from the balcony. I watch birds from the balcony. I water the plants slowly. I water the plants slowly. I read a book on the chair. I read a book on the chair. I rest my body for a while. I rest my body for a while. I clean my table peacefully. I clean my table peacefully. I fold my clothes slowly. I fold my clothes slowly. I look at the blue sky. I look at the blue sky. I enjoy the quiet evening. I enjoy the quiet evening. I sit with my family happily. I sit with my family happily. I sip warm tea slowly. I sip warm tea slowly. I watch the sunset calmly. I watch the sunset calmly. I stretch my arms gently. I stretch my arms gently. I enjoy peaceful moments at home. I enjoy peaceful moments at home. I relax on the soft chair. I relax on the soft chair.